Bob Dole, back to you. This market sell-off, we're down 300 as we speak. Is this all about tariffs? Is that the reason for today and yesterday's decline?
That's certainly the latest chapter, Stuart. Remember, we had a whack off on the side of the face early in February related to concerns about rising interest rates and rising inflation. And then we came back so fast. That was too fast. We hadn't healed. And now we're selling off again. And tariffs are the excuse. Sadly, it's a legitimate excuse. Tariffs are not good news for markets.
Are we on the way down some more? Right now we're at 24.2. Can you see us breaking much further south?
I think the lows of a few weeks ago on the S&P that was roughly 25.25 probably will hold. This is a test of that pattern, which is not a lot lower in Dow terms either, Stuart. And then we'll bounce and see what the character of that looks like. But we've got to get past this period. A tariff is a tax. And while you're trying to protect somebody, you tend to hurt a bunch of other people, and then you invite war from other countries. So we're hoping the president backs off.
Do you think we'll ever get back any time in the near future to the glory days, right after the election, all the way through to January of this year, when the market just about went straight up? We're going to get back to that kind of rally?
A lot of good news during that period, capped off by the tax cut bill, which is good news for the economy, for most Americans, and therefore for the markets. We've got to get past this period. Look, the economy has picked up, Stuart, and you remember when the Fed was our best friend, a lot of things were going well. The Fed is not yet our enemy, but they're moving in that direction. When interest rates and inflation move up, financial markets start doing less well. I still think we'll have an up year, but nothing like last year.
So the glory days are not going to return. I mean, that was the bread and butter of this program. Are you telling me that my ratings are going to go down now?
You know, volatile markets also cause high ratings, and your expert coverage of it also adds, Stuart.
You've learned a few lessons over the years. Flattery is the mother's milk of television. Well done, Bob Dole. I'll call you the $1 trillion man again if you like. Okay. Thank you, Bob.
Great to chat. Happy Friday.
Yes, sir. We'll see you again soon. Thank you very much indeed.